Why do we concern ourselves with disinfecting surfaces in this time of pandemic with COVID-19? The answer is we're not really sure how long COVID-19, the novel coronavirus, can last on surfaces. It's always a big question, what are the modes of transmission that are leading to pandemic? Why is this organism so contagious? We know that the primary method of transmission is through respiratory droplets from coughing and sneezing. But very close is also transmission from surfaces. Those droplets hit surfaces, we touch those surfaces, and from infected person to previously uninfected person, the germ is transmitted. So how long can COVID-19 remain viable on surfaces? The answer is we don't know. But a National Institute of Health study in March of 2020 indicated that on cardboard, the virus can last as long as 24 hours, and on plastic and stainless steel, hard and non-porous surfaces, we're looking at 2 to 3 days. And shortly after that report, a study from the Diamond Princess cruise ship found that in the cabins of infected passengers, they were still finding virus that they believed to be infectious 17 days after they were removed from their staterooms. So we know that there is value, tremendous value, in cleaning surfaces to eliminate them as a route of transmission for the disease.
Okay, so today what we have is Arm & Hammer baking soda, a blasting grade for blasting the surfaces and what have you there. The food grade is the stuff that you'll see in your cupboard and your refrigerator and that type of thing. So today what we did is we charged our vessel here with Arm & Hammer baking soda blasting material. We also put in the blast pot the shockwave material, and we also put in the water tank here the shockwave material as well, the concentrated material. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean the park here with the baking soda, and then we're going to come back, as well as when we're cleaning it, we're also disinfecting as well. When we're going to come back, and then we're going to rinse it down, and we're going to put, with the rinse water, we're going to disinfect it once again. So we'll be doing 2 levels of cleaning here. We're going to clean with the Arm & Hammer. We're going to disinfect while we're cleaning. Then we're going to give a rinse down with the shockwave in our water on our rinse.
It's important that everyone understands that no disinfectant manufacturer can claim that they are EPA registered to kill COVID-19, the novel coronavirus that causes the COVID-19 disease. At this point, the EPA has created guidance for the public called List N. List N you can find online, and List N communicates which disinfectants the EPA has already evaluated and pre-selected as candidate products you should consider when you're doing any kind of cleaning and sanitizing and disinfection related to COVID-19.